Hi, I'm Laura, and this is a tutorial on a variation of Bird of Paradise pose called Bowing with Respect Bird of Paradise pose. There's also an infographic, a step-by-step infographic on my Omniyogagirl Instagram page. So if you think that would be useful, then go and check it out. So Bird of Paradise pose is a balance, a bind, a hamstring stretch, and a hip opener all rolled into one. So I'm going to show you step by step how to get into it. So you want to start with your feet about hip width apart and come into a fold. So folding from the hips and then choosing which leg you're going to bind. So I'm going to go with my right leg and then come up on the tiptoes. So we're bending the right leg and then kind of thread your right arm through and behind. So the back of your hand comes to your lower back. So try and get that leg as high up on the arm as you can. And then you want to create the bind. So you could use a strap here or take hold of your hand or your wrist. So we need to come up into the balance. Shift your weight onto your left foot. It might help to bend the standing leg. And then nice and slow, coming up. So straightening that standing leg up. Stay here and keep the leg bent if you're not quite ready to straighten it out yet. So to come into the full pose, you want to lean forwards and straighten out that right leg. So try and keep the spine nice and long. Lead with the chest. Keep breathing. And then bend the leg. Release the bind. And you're done. So I hope that was helpful. Obviously, maybe start near a wall at first just to help you keep your balance. As I say, feel free to use a strap or a belt or a scarf to help you with the bind. And you can also work on creating that forward fold whilst keeping the bound leg bent. So just kind of have a play with it and see how you get on. Thank you very much.